For physical reasons, I turned to yoga. I taught a lot of exercise classes, and yoga was the next thing I wanted to conquer. But when I started to do it, I noticed that my visions got really clear. My mind was so clear, I saw things really clear, I worked through problems very quickly, and I saw how helpful of a tool it was to get me into that place of hearing, thinking, processing. It became my favorite tool as far as connection to the spiritual world went, but then also my connection to myself, which was not something I was used to. With all the trauma, I was trying to engage outside of my body. And so this took me inside my body, which was a whole new world. It was challenging, but it was so good. I am so connected to my body, which I wasn't before. And that changed everything. It changed the way I enjoy food. It changed the way I take steps when I'm walking, just feeling the different muscles, being in my body. I took it off the mat in so many ways. So it kind of became my teacher. I joke that I'm a little masochistic because I'm sitting in these poses saying, okay, just be in the pain. Learn to love the pain, relax into it, stop resisting it. And that it's such a good lesson to bring out into the world because we're constantly hit with things that hurt, right? And when you're resisting it, you're not enjoying life. But when you kind of lean into it and go into it and accept it, life is so much more enjoyable and it flows so freely. Yoga is what prepares me to meditate. It's its own meditation in a way as I connect to my body, but then I'm finally exhausted enough to be still and to meditate and to let my mind go to that state.
Thanks for watching. Make sure you hit the like button, subscribe, share it to all your friends, all that stuff. If you're new to this channel, my name's Eric LaCour. I'm a photographer and also a breathwork instructor. So I like to encourage people to live a life of balance. That's one of those things that has made my life a lot better, is I kind of find an avenue that's more physical, but also an avenue that's more cerebral, more creative. So Miyamoto Musashi calls it the twofold way. He has a quote that says, every warrior should have a peaceful art as well as a killing art. This is the twofold way. And that's one of the things I'm trying to communicate to people, trying to encourage you guys to live more of a life of balance. So make sure you hit the like, subscribe, hit the bell, share it to all your friends. And if you're interested in learning more about breath, check out this interview with Dan Brule, and then also have some travel content you can check out over here. Also, the full interview with Brittnee will be a link in the description. See you next time.